another school year. So, good luck to everybody. Kung high school kayo or college, good luck sa atin lahat. Hopefully, the school year is a good one, even if it's online classes. But anyways, if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Lexy Rodriguez. I'm a second-year college student at University of Asia Pacific, and my course is Business Administration, major in Management. So, I know how much you guys enjoyed my online classes vlog, so we are bringing this series back again this school year. So hopefully, I can vlog as much as I can. Sometimes yung vlogs ko isang week, isang vlog, or sometimes pinuputol ko, depende sa load work ng school, kasi pag mas madami ako ginagawa, then syempre mas madami ako mabavlog. Anyways, today is August 5. It is our first day of classes, but then upon checking the Canvas dashboard, wala naman kaming synchronous or asynchronous class. Tomorrow pa talaga magsa-start. So, I just wanted to vlog kasi meron akong a few things na gagawin, and I also want to share with you guys some of my online purchases that I will surely be using this school year. So, I usually do like a dedicated back-to-school haul, but then since online classes, konti lang yung kailangan, so hindi siya masyadong sapat or enough for a whole dedicated video. So, include ko na lang siya sa first vlog natin. So, first are of course, ball pens to write down our notes, to-do list, and ever since nag-start yung pandemic, hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa physical Muji store. So, buti na lang nakahanap ako ng Shopee seller that sells authentic. And then, of course, meron din tayong pencil. Super minimalist lang niya tingnan. Mukha din siya from Muji, pero sobrang affordable niya, guys. I just have it in gray, tapos in this lighter gray. Since we have mechanical pencils, we can't forget about the eraser. So, this one looks like you bought it from Muji as well, but then it's not. It's also super affordable. Basically, it's like a stackable eraser. So, pag naubos mo na siya, pwede mo siya tanggalin. And then, ilalagay mo lang siya sa baba. Tapos, may bago ka ulit. So, super cool. Mura lang din to, guys. Again, from Shopee lang. And then, I got this gradient sticky notes. Color pink siya. I actually got it in blue also. If you guys are following me on TikTok, makita nyo na to. Pero medyo sinira siya ng little sister ko. So, pink na lang yung natira sa akin. So, lalagay ko lang to sa notepad ko or sa notebook ko if I have some other things I want to remind myself na you still have to do this and stuff like that. Next is this notepad. If you guys have been watching my online classes vlogs, alam nyo na to. Ito talaga yung favorite ko. Mas nagustuhan ko siya kaysa sa notebook because it's a grid notepad and the quality of the paper is so nice. It's very smooth. And I don't know if it's just me, pero pag maganda yung paper, feel ko, ang ganda din ng sulat ko. And affordable lang siya, guys. So, meron din siya yung regular na lines or dotted, pero the one I got is the grid notepad. Tapos, dinecoratean ko lang siya ng mga stickers kasi ang dami kong extra dito sa bahay. So, yeah, I just got this one. Again, it looks like from Muji, but then it's just Shopee, guys. And we're down to the last two items. This one, again, of course, plain lang sila, guys. It's just a white clipboard kasi minsan, meron akong mga activities na kailangan mag-draw or mag-write, tas ipipicture mo, tas isi-send mo sa prof. So, mas maganda na sure ako na flat surface yung susulatan ko. So, ilalagay ko lang yung paper here. Or if I have files or papers that I wanna compile, dito ko siya ilalagay. If not here, I can also put it in this folder that I bought. So, it's just an expandable folder pero di siya makapal. So, perfect lang siya kasi online classes, konti lang naman yung mga paperwork mo. So, perfect na to. Kasi diba usually yung mga ganito sobrang kapal. So, ito, very minimal lang. White lang siya and black. And, yeah. So, these are all the stuff that I got. I'll just put the links down below. So, just click the link if you guys want to add to cart. And tag me if you guys decide to purchase any of my recos. So, basically, yun lang yung haul ko for this school year. Now, let's check out my Canvas dashboard again to see what we have to do for the first day of online classes. For rhetorical Filipino is I have to answer a Google form which is titled Magkakilanlan muna tayo, ha? So, I think it's like a get to know lang. So, you just have to put your name, yung email nyo, kung ano yung course nyo, address, phone number, device that you're using, ano yung internet, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, mga basic information lang naman. So, sasagutan ko muna to. So, it is now 3:16. Nagawa ko na yung mga kailangan kong gawin for 2 classes. So, for Retorikang Filipino, nagbasa na ako ng PowerPoint, yung mga rules and regulations. Tapos, ano pa ba yung ginawa ko? Nag-fill up ako ng Google form. Kalimutan ko na kagad. Ano ba yan, guys? And then, for my class na Shakespeare, I did the academic pledge form. Sinayin ko na yun, tapos sinabit ko na. I also submitted an ID photo. So, what I did was, since wala akong digital copy, I just took a picture on my phone, pinop ko, tapos yun yung sinabit ko. And then, I also downloaded a PDF file of Hamlet kasi yun ata yung unang book na itatakal namin, or baka yun yung book na itatakal namin for the whole term. I'm not quite sure. Kaylee's there pala with Bailey. So, anyways, I don't have a physical copy or hard copy ng book, kaya PDF file na lang yung dinownload ko. And pwede naman kasi yun yung nakalagay sa PowerPoint ni ma'am. So, baka ipaprint ko na lang siya. Ito siya, guys. Para it's easier to highlight and then write down notes if I want to. But then, basically, ito na yun. Let's see how many pages siya, guys. Oh my gosh, ang dami pala. 144. Yan. Comment down below, guys, kung hindi din kayo bookworm or hindi kayo mahilig magbasa. So, wish me luck because I am not really a fan of reading. Oh my gosh, you guys, I almost forgot about this one. Nakita ko lang siya sa may floor ko, like underneath my desk. But I bought this ruler set. So, 4 pieces siya. And again, it looks like you bought it from Muji. Very minimalist. And the quality is pretty good. So, yan. Parang plastic siya. Kasi, minsan pag nagsusulat ako sa notebook ko, kailangan ko ng ruler para pag minsan kasi nakaka-OC and gusto ko siyang straight. And since yun lang naman yung mga kailangan kong gawin today, naisipan ko na maggawa ko ng parang schedule ko for the week. So, Monday to Friday, tas kung anong class, what time, para lang I'm tracking and I'm aware of my scheduled classes. Kasi minsan baka mawala sa isip ko. And by the way, since I'm second year college na pala, I enlisted my own class. So, for this term, kasi per sem, hinati siya into 2 terms. So, I'm sem 1, term 1 right now. And I only have 3 classes, which is basketball, Filipino, and Shakespeare. Tapos, sa next term, 4 na yung classes ko. So, anyways, yeah, I have my schedule here sa phone ko. Kasi sinend ko siya sa mom ko. So, gagawin ko lang yung school schedule ko. And I will get back to you guys after. Making my class schedule for term 1 and term 2. I just tried to make it look minimal. So right now I am gonna be making some pub mats for basketball varsity for our rookies who just graduated high school. So our teammates actually did one for us rookies last year. So it looks like this. So I'm gonna try to make one for this year naman. And I'm also with Echo. He's in class right now, but he's also on a video call with me. Say hi. Naka-mute, but say hi. Pasaway oh. Prof niya oh. Naka-video call oh. Just kidding. No. Tatawa na yan. Tatawa na yan. He can't hear me pala guys kasi I'm on mute. He's trying not to laugh. Anyways, ito yung email guys. So this is the logo of Our team, UANP Women's Basketball Team, we're the Dragons. And then, ito yung isa, para I have options. And then, this is Gabby and Cassie. I haven't met them pa, but then, they're rookies, so... Good afternoon, you guys. It is a Monday. It's August 9, 1:50 in the afternoons. So, today is another school day. I just got my shake, super cute, also with this straw that I got from Shopee, link down below. So aesthetic. Anyways, I didn't vlog nung Friday kasi wala na ako masyadong ginawa. Literally, I just attended our Filipino class orientation via Google Meet. Tama ba? Yeah, Google Meet. So, wala masyadong ganap since first 2 days of classes pa lang. Today, medyo madami na akong ginawa. Actually, last night, it was a Sunday, diba? I wrote down the things I have to do this week. Pero syempre, baka madagdagan pa to after mag-attend ng online classes. So, ito yung mga gagawin ko. Okay, so ang una kong gagawin is my Filipino pagsubok because it's due later. And since I have class and a bunch of stuff to do, I want to do this first kasi mamaya makulangan ako ng time. Although, it says here, time limit is 5 minutes lang. And there's only 5 questions. Tapos, at allowed attempts are 2. So, I hope that it's pretty easy. So, here guys, let's take the quiz na. Yan yung details. OMG guys, so I just took the quiz and nakulangan ako sa time kasi I was thinking kasi dito sa question 5 it says ano sa inyong pagpapakahulugan ang retorika. So I was trying to think what is retorikang Filipino, tapos biglang it says I have to submit na kasi time's up na. So ito yung iba kong answers, tama naman ata except for this one. I think for this I shouldn't have put puno nang, dapat piedras platas lang. So, we'll try to take the quiz again kasi 2 attempts man. So, let's see how this goes. Oh my gosh, you guys. So, I totally misunderstood my Shakespeare because nakalagay kasi doon, tasks nung Friday is to read the lecture. So, kala ko, you're just supposed to watch the video ganyan kasi may quiz tomorrow and on Thursday ata. Something like that. Tapos biglang, you have to watch it and then you're supposed to type in your thoughts dun sa discussion board. If you guys use Canvas, then alam nyo din yun. Because, oh my gosh talaga. Oh my gosh. So right now, I'm gonna be watching all the videos before my Filipino classes start. So, eto siya guys. Medyo nasimulan ko na siya. And then I'm also gonna write my notes kasi yun nga, I have to write my thoughts about the whole entire video. So, I wanna jot down notes para I can just combine them later sa discussion board ng Canvas. So, I'm gonna watch everything muna. I'm gonna rush this kasi it's considered late na din siguro. Although, meron ako nakita na kahapon lang nag-submit or kanina lang nag-submit. So, hahabol tayo guys. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put you guys here muna. And I will just update you guys once I am done because nalito talaga ako doon. Oh my gosh! Hi guys, oh my gosh, 3 PM na. So I'm gonna attend my Filipino class already. I was watching a lecture on how to read Shakespeare's works. So, konti pala yung nasulat ko. Para nakailan minutes pa lang ako. So, 3 PM na kasi. So, join na lang ako ng Filipino. I'll just continue doing Shakespeare afterwards. So, here is our Google link. I won't show it pala kasi ito pala yung link namin the whole year. But then, yeah, I'm just gonna turn off my cam. And we shall join.
Sa makatwid, ang retorika ay sikat na dadaan dyan sa kalsada nila. No? Unless naka full regalia. No? Kailan tayo ulit siya?
Time check you guys. It is now 4:31 in the afternoon. Tapos na ako mag-Filipino class. And during Filipino, nagsusulat din ako ng notes for Shakespeare. So I think isang discussion na lang yung kailangan kong gawin. And then we have a quiz due tomorrow at 5 p.m. Tapos isa pang takdang aralin due on Thursday, 12 p.m. So baka simulan ko na siya after ko gawin yung Shakespeare discussion ko para I don't have to worry anything about Shakespeare. I actually have to read pa pala. Oh my gosh, may babasahin pa pala ako. So stressful. Anyways, I am so sorry if I don't get to talk that much. I'm just really trying to finish everything I can today para mabawasan na yung gagawin ko. Kasi every Wednesday, we don't have classes. So I wanna save Wednesday so I can make some content for you guys, shoot some pictures for Instagram kasi before classes started, medyo strong yung IG game ko na yun. Medyo pangit na naman siya as well as my vlogging game. So I'm gonna try to make some content on Wednesday. I also forgot to tell you guys pala, I already did our pub mat for basketball varsity. So I already posted it on Instagram. Ito lang yung ginawa ko since Google Meet siya. I've just placed the picture sa parang laptop para, you know, since online. Tapos isang picture ginawa ko lang background. So ayan yung team post namin.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if
Hi guys, it is now 6:47 p.m. and tinapos ko na ata lahat ng pwedeng tapusin except for the reading. I'm gonna do that later after dinner siguro. So I'm gonna head down to check anong dinner kasi guys, gutom na ako. So I was able to do yung basketball quizzes. So ang dami kong sinagutan, siguro mga 4 or 5 ata. Tapos I did the quizzes for Filipino, dalawa yun. Tapos yung mga discussions nagawa ko rin. So it was a very productive day. Ito yung ano ko guys, to-do list. So madami nang maka-check dyan. Yung iba kasi hindi pa na-publish ng prof. So yung mga na-publish, nagawa ko na siya. So another day tomorrow. See you guys!